You know, I buy half your car, and
Yeah?
I bail you out of jail, and then I just decided to do all your chores.
The chores.
Yeah, life is great, huh?
Life is fantastic. Is how good it is. So great. Oh, the trash can. Sorry, Dad. I'm gonna do the trash can.
No, I
right
don't
now.
want you to strain yourself.
No, don't strain myself, Dad. It would hurt my feelings if you do it.
You sure? 'Cause
I promise.
I don't mind.
No. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the trash cans, and I'm gonna scrape the grill, and I'm gonna sweep up the whole house right now.
Tonight, right now.
Right now. I love you. God, I love you. Just so much right now.
You know, Mom wanted me to ground you. You're 3 minutes late.
Right? Oh, well, just another thing you did for me, Dad, because you're such a swell guy.
One more thing, huh?
All right, I love you. Sleep good, handsome man.